You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. Those are homophones. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. The top word is pronounced sink. It is a verb to meaning synchronize, sync, to sync, as in to sync different computers, for example. The bottom word is the sink that you have in your bathroom, sink, or the kitchen sink. Both pronunciations are the same in English. How to pronounce sink. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.